Paco will never commit suicide. Never!
It's true. Sinabi niya sa akin.
At sabi mo hindi magagawa ni Paco yun?
I was only saying that because I didn't want it to be true. I was really hoping that Sam really killed Paco. Para hindi maging totoo yung sinabi ng pinsang ko. He will end his life at midnight. I called him. We're supposed to talk about business. But when he answered, he was crying. Sabi niya sa akin, natatakot siya, naiiwan daw siya ni Sam.
You're just making this up, Basil.
Paco has always had abandonment issues, di ba? When his papa died, kahit bata pa siya noon, he said he felt abandoned. He was traumatized.
Shut up! Shut up!
When we were young!
Shut up!
Kita, when we were young! When we were teenagers! His first girlfriend left him! Nakatad na siya noon! I was only able to convince her not to do it! Yung mga movies na nag-aaway kayo, pinagpipilit niyo siya na i-co-manage ang company against his will! He told me. Sinabi niya sa akin, he felt abandoned even by his own mother.
No! 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 No!
Idemanda na natin yung demonyang biyanan mo. Munti ka na niyang patayin kanina.
Nay, ayoko na ng gulo. Intindihin na lang natin siya. Isipin natin siya kung saan siya nanggagaling. Nanay siya, namatayin siya ng anak. Intindihin na lang natin.
Ate, ang bait mo. Nga dito.
Aray!
Sorry. Tinawat mo ako kanina eh. Kung nagkataon talaga may nangyari sa'yo, mapatay ko talaga yung hayop na Aurora na yun. Sana ako na lang yung bugbugin nila eh. Sana ako yung gulpi nila. Want to sawa, pero yung saktan ka nila. Ate, makikipagpatayan talaga ako. Ate, so ano ng plano mo?
Umalis na tayo dito. Bumalik na lang tayo sa mahirap pero tahimik nating buhay.
Pero hindi natin ito pinaghandaan. Wala tayong mga trabaho. Si Francis hindi na pwedeng bumalik sa construction. Ikaw naman.
Nay, okay lang yan. Huwag kang mag-alala, ano ba? Isang tawag lang ni ate sa boss niya, papabalikin ka agad siya doon. Siya kaya yung pinakamagaling na interior designer doon sa kumpanya nila.
Na hindi natin kailangan yung mga palasyos para mabuhay. Nagawa nga natin dati, di ba? Kahit din natin ngayon yan, tayo pa ba?
Tara na, mag-impakan na tayo para makalis na tayo.
Bukas na. Gusto ko muna makapagpaalam ng maayos sa asawa ko bago ako umalis sa lugar na to.
Fix this, General Arriaga. Hindi ko alam kung bakit binigyan niyo kami ng ganong klaseng investigator. Walang kwenta. Palitan niyo siya. And don't accept any statement from Basil. He's a liar. Naiintindihan mo ba ako? Gawa mo ng paraan ngayon din. Palitan niyo siya.
General Aliaga, please leave.
No. You leave. I don't need you here.
Aurora, stop. I'm asking you, please leave.
Tita, Sam is innocent. That investigator and his team know it. You think, pag pinagpalitan mo sila, they won't talk? Kilala natin si Sam. Palaban ng babaeng yun.
And don't you forget her connection to Doc Orly. Sa tingin mo ba, hindi yun lalabas kapag pinilit mo yung pagpapaimbestiga mo sa iba?
The people will talk about the Palacios name. And our competitors will take advantage of it.
Look, Aurora. Madalas man tayo mag-away, pamilya pa rin tayo. We have a name to protect. Everything we keep should remain hidden within the confines of the Palacios estate.
It's just that I really want Sam to be. That leech cost me my Paco. Basil, my son killed himself all because of her.
Tita, we have to protect the Palacios name.
And in doing that, you want me to let that evil lowlife go scot-free? Basil, leave. Please, leave me alone. Know your place, Amando. Utusan ka lang dito.
Good job, son. You hit the nail on the head. Kinampihan mo si Sam para pasakitan si Aurora. And now, the queen is starting to crumble.